Hey guys, I'm Chef Wyatt, and today I'm going to be attempting to make soup. So for today's soup, the ingredients are going to be some corn, some baby corn because I want to spice it up, mushroom, celery, parsley, carrot, some potatoes, garlic, white onion, yellow onion because I had both, some chicken stock. I also have some frozen chicken defrosting right now because we're making a chicken soup. Now we can start cutting. So first, we'll put some wet napkins underneath our cutting board just to keep it in place so it doesn't slip and slide when we cut. So when you're choosing the sizes for your vegetables, you can choose whatever size you like. I want a bigger mushroom today, so I cut this. I didn't like it, so I'm gonna go a little bit smaller. I still think that these sizes should be good. And of course, gonna have some little pieces. I like variation in my soups. So here I'm gonna julienne some onion really quick. And cut off the tip actually because I don't want that. I like mine a little bit thinner today. I'm sure everything will vary. So now with the garlic, I'm gonna make them very small. Ooh. Throw at the end. I'm gonna do just little coins. I like coins. Just like that. So with the potatoes, I'll just cut them in quarters. I want a nice big chunky potato. If it's a little bit bigger, I'll cut it just a tiny bit smaller, but these are small potatoes and yeah, varying in size. So I forgot to record me deboning this chicken, but now we can add the chicken in the pot first. And we can season it. Some salt and pepper. So we'll start browning this chicken to get the flavors out. So now that the chicken has started to brown, we will separate it. Or put it on the side, I guess we can say. And we can add our onion and garlic to start getting them translucent. Now that the onions are starting to go clear, we can add the celery. We can add the carrot, mushroom. Last, we can add the potatoes and give it a quick stir. And bring it from the bottom. So once all the veggies start to get nice and soft, we can deglaze it. Once that's all good, we can add the chicken. And once that's done, we can add the rest of the stock just above the veggies and such. So now that it was boiling, you can add the corn. Season to taste, and that's how you make soup. Thank you. Don't forget to add the parsley.